Malaria is by far the most devastating epidemic in Africa, claiming more lives than HIV or TB. Between 250 and 500 million cases occur annually, and over 2 million lives are lost each year. Malaria is a direct hindrance to the development of Africa. It mostly affects children, the future of the continent, therefore inhibiting progress before it starts. What is most astounding is the fact that the disease is preventable. The use of malaria nets significantly reduces the chance of contracting the disease by inhibiting contact between the mosquito carrying the virus and its target. Believe it or not, malaria used to be a huge issue in the U.S. in the 1950s, but due to concerted efforts of the government, the disease was eradicated. Unfortunately, Africa was left behind. Pregnant mothers and young infants continue to die from this preventable disease. It is imperative that we lend a helping hand to those affected by this disease. Humanitarianism is the act of sacrificing one's wants and desires for the needs of others. It is a commitment to improving the lives of others in order to benefit mankind. OASIS, the Organization of African Students' Interest and Solidarity, has made it a priority to fight malaria by collaborating with Malaria No More and other student organizations in and outside of UNC to provide nets to at-risk families. OASIS is working with Duke, Central, and ECU to facilitate fundraising and distribution of nets in Nigeria. We will be hosting an art auction to raise money towards the cause, and this spring we'll introduce the first annual Malaria Week in order to increase awareness of this deadly epidemic.
In addition to providing an environment in which members can learn about and tackle African issues, OASIS also establishes an atmosphere in which they can embrace African culture and companionship. Ever since its establishment in 1981, OASIS has stayed true to its mission of spreading awareness about Africa and its people on UNC Chapel Hill's campus, serving as an oasis in the desert of knowledge. OASIS hosts a number of speakers and events throughout the year, the biggest event being Africa Night. Africa Night is a celebration of African culture through dance, fashion, and drama. OASIS consists of 4 subgroups: OASIS Acts, the Community Service and Advocacy Group, Kabari, the drama group, Zankiliwa, the dance group, and Tunesa, the online newsletter. OASIS continues to strive towards bettering the African continent as a whole. By collaborating with organizations such as Malaria No More, we believe that we are doing our part in advocating humanitarianism.